HubSpot email marketing. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot.com. On the homepage, click the Get Started for Free button to create or log into your account. Inside the dashboard, hover over the horn icon on the left side of the screen and click Email. In the email section, click the Create Email button at the top right of the screen. After selecting your business unit, you will be asked to choose an email type. For example, select Regular. Next, you will be directed to the template page. Browse the available templates and select one that matches your business style. Inside the workspace editor, you can add various elements by clicking the plus icon on the left side. For example, to add images, click the Image button and upload an image by selecting Browse Images. To personalize your message, highlight the desired text, click Personalize, search for first name, and insert it. Once you've finalized your design and content, click the Review and Send button at the top right to complete the process.